everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Photopea. Photopea is an online image editing tool similar to Adobe Photoshop. It allows users to edit images, create designs, and perform various photo manipulation tasks directly in their web browser without needing to install any software. This tool is a great alternative to Adobe Photoshop. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Photopea and open a photo on Photopea. Located at the left side of your screen are the tools that you can use on the photo that you have opened on Photopea. In here, look for the magnifying glass icon. Click on this. Now, at the top left of your screen, you'll find the plus icon. So just click on this and click on the image to be able to zoom in on the image. If you want to zoom out, just click on the minus icon and click on your image again to be able to zoom out. Another way to zoom in and out of your photo is through view settings. Click on view and click on the zoom in option. Now, once you click this, you can now zoom in. Below it, you'll find the zoom out button, which you can click to zoom out the photo. And there you have it, folks. I hope this guide was helpful to you. If it was, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.